Ray. Come on.
Yo, sneak back to Fanum's room. Sneak back.
Damn, son.
Okay. All right, bet, come.
Oh, take the Coronas if you want to get lit. Take that for me. Take the. Oh.
Damn, son.
Take that for me? What the cameraman said? Yo, I might have to catch 2 bodies today.
Go easy, go easy.
I'll put it in the book bag. Book bag behind me.
Son.
Oh, he has a bag. Do we have a bag in here?
My cameraman versus his cameraman, they gonna have to get it on. I might be going, my cameraman versus his cameraman, they gonna have to get it on, chat. No funny shit. No funny shit. Word of my mother, right?
Gang,